To recover your Facebook Messenger deleted message on your smartphone, open the Messenger app and log into your exact Facebook account. Now tap on Menu and tap on Settings. In here, scroll down, tap on Account Center. In here, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Select Export Your Information and tap on Create Export. And now select your Facebook account or Messenger account. So for example, I want to recover this Facebook account, all deleted messages. So I'm selecting this Facebook account in here. And now choose where to export. You can select export to device or export to external service. So in my case, I'm selecting export to device. And now here, tap on customize information. First of all, we have to clear all. So tap on clear all. Now we have to select only messages. Tap on save. Now tap on notify. In here, add your email address, in which email address you want to get notified when your file is ready to download. Tap on date range and even choose a date range. So in my case, I want to recover deleted messages for all time. So selecting all time here. And media quality, I'm selecting medium quality. Now all you have to need, tap on start export and now verify your Facebook account password here. And as you can see, I've successfully requested to download all of my deleted messages. It may take some moments, up to 3 or 24 hours to get the download file. Let's download the file. Tapping on download, verifying my Facebook account password. Tapping on continue. And here we can see the file successfully downloaded. Now go to your Files app and select Downloads. And here you'll find Facebook zip file. Unzip the folder. Now open the Facebook folder. In here, you have to open your Facebook activity folder. Open Messages folder. In here, you have to open this your messages.html folder. And now zoom in. In here, you will find all your Facebook chat or conversations. Just open any conversations. And here you will find all your messages, sent and received messages with date and time. So that's how you can actually do it.